Hi guys, Finn and Christian here. We've had quite a few questions over the last week regarding the cage, so we just I thought it would be a good idea just to put it into a video and answer the questions. Finn's collated the questions and I'm going to do my best to answer them.
All good. So right, first question we've got, how easy is it to remove the basket?
Yeah, look, the cage, we've designed the cage so it's really easy to use, nothing overcomplicated. So on the cage you've got 4 little handles which are kind of like spring assisted. You just pinch the handles, line them up, and then it seamlessly fits in. You've got the 3 levels, so whatever level you want to cook at and the volume you're cooking at, you just adjust that easily. So yeah, just pinch those handles and lift off. Really super simple. That's about it for that one. Next.
Nice. So what happens if the cage gets stuck whilst it's on the rotisserie?
So if the cage gets stuck on the rotisserie while cooking, the motor's got like an anti-lock system that if it does get stuck rotating one way, it will then try and rotate the other way to unjam it. But I've never really had that happen. If it's going to happen, it's going to be within the first 5 to 10 minutes of your cook, so just give it a quick check during the first bit of the cook.
Cool. Next, how do you clean the cage?
Cage is made with 304 stainless steel, so it is straight in the dishwasher. Now obviously when you're cooking fatty stuff, best to give it a pre-wash or pre-soak in the sink with a bit of degreaser and then into your dishwasher. Now for those that don't have dishwashers, you can just do it manually by hand, and it should come looking like new again. So yeah, really easy there as well.
Okay, next question we've got, are you able to do 2 styles of wings at once or different types of food at the same time within the cage?
Yes, you are. This is what the dividers are for. So you haven't just got one massive cooking area with the cage. You've actually got, we've designed it so you've got 4 different cooking zones. We do supply you with 2 zones, but if you want to use the complete 4 zones that we provide, you can buy extras of these online. But literally, I don't know if you want to bring the camera over a bit nearer. So yeah, with the cage, we've designed this so you can split the zones off by using these dividers. For example, you might be doing something small here and then you want a larger area, or you might even want 2 small areas. Or if you don't want 2 small areas, you might want 2 halves. So you can have 1 style of wings in here, another style of wings in here. Same with, I don't know, veggies. You might be doing some butternut squash in here and some aubergines in here, and you don't want the mixing. So yeah, it's purely there, 4 different zones, cook whatever you want, super simple. Yeah.
Decent. Last one, we've been challenged a little bit actually. We've claimed that it can hold 6 kg of chicken wings. Can we prove it?
Well, yes, we can. We've actually gone out and we've bought 6 kg of wings. We've prepped them, got them ready, and what we're going to do now is put the cage to the test, because I don't know why, but a lot of people, there's similar sorts of cooking ways online that you can buy, or third party, and they're all very small. You can't hold much capacity of food. So when we've brought out this cage and we've advertised it holds 6 kg of wings, everyone's just like, no chance. It doesn't hold that much food. So what we're going to do is as 6 kg is going to weigh quite heavily, we're going to plug this in and then pour the wings in 1 kilo by 1 kilo and then turn it on. So let me go and get the wings.
It's what 6 kg of wings looks like.
So yeah, 6 kg of wings. Just to verify this, these packs are 1 kg each, and we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Can you confirm that? Well, you can confirm the 6 there, right?
That's definitely 6, and that's definitely 1 kg.
All good. So first 1 kg going in. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
There we go.
Now, if you wanted to push it even more, we don't recommend this, but you probably could, you know, the motor itself is designed to turn up to 15 kg. So there's still a bit of room there. Cage is locked in, 6 kg of wings.
Get that on.
Let's turn it on.
Well, there we go. That's all the proof you need.
Look, absolute lightweight. 6 kg of wings. You're feeding, you know, easily 12 people with that. So it's such an easy way to cook. People love wings. The flavors for wings is like endless. There's so many different options, so many ways to garnish them and to finish them off. But you can see 6 kg of wings spinning. We'll close those up, and then what we're going to do is we'll wait until they're ready, and then we're going to hand them out to our friends on the farm. So what's the last question, Finn?
How easy is it to take off when it's hot?
Yeah, so wait until it's flat. Heatproof gloves to both rods. There we go. 6 kg. Any other questions, Finn?
That's all I've got written down here. Is there anything else you'd like to point out?
No. Get yourself a cage. You won't be disappointed.
Bye.
Bye.